Hello guys, we're here today with my brother and my family, and we're looking to buy this lovely English caravan. Alright, Vicky? You don't know what's happening, huh? Let's take a look. It's a GTS. Yeah. It has windows. That's cool. It has 416. In the back window, this is for the toilet. It's called Abby. Hello, Abby. You look very nice today. GTS, not goods. It's 6 meters long. Yes, it has 4 beds, 1 double and 2 for the kids. We'll take a look after a minute. It has a mover. Yeah. Here she comes. That's it. It's huge. The bus. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And we will now unbox it. No, I'm kidding. We will not unbox it. We'll have a look around video with some of the features of the caravan. It's English. It's called Abe. Hello, Abe. You look very nice today. Little bit of dirty because we moved you around with some dirty hands. And come and see inside. Yep. Open the door. The door has these things here. You can hop. You can close them. We can close them fully. Down. It's half door. You can see it. It looks very nice. It has something that you can pull and avoid all the nasty mosquitoes and flies. And this is the switch. This is inside. It has 4 gas stoves. Actually there are 3 and 1 electric. Here's water. There are a lot of options for storage here, and you can see the clock and the 2 big sofas that you can combine in a bed, king size or maybe queen size bed. And you can see this little table here. It can be pulled and you can put another table next to it, so you can have a big family lunch. We just removed everything and we are going to clean every bit because it's a second-hand caravan. Hello, it's me. It's me here. It's me here. We have water running. But this bit is very strange. why it's like that? I thought that it should have something like hose, but who knows? The shower is running. Yeah. Some lights are running. Check. Oh, I get it now. Pull this and the lights turn off and the lights turn on. Yeah. It's a cool bit. You have to clean this one. It's pretty dirty. But we'll do it in a while. Guys, these are my parents. They decided to live here for the rest of their lives. This is my father, Vlado. This is my mother, Cuckoo. Natka. She's called Natka. And this is Abi. We installed a tow hitch on my brother's car because it didn't have one, and now we are going to take the Caravan on its first small road trip because it's not yet registered, and we are driving in some back roads here in the countryside. As you see, they are in perfect condition to test the tow hitch, and it looks pretty. Hey bro, where are you going? Don't leave me here. Yep, we have a pit stop. We are full speed ahead and we're going here. And we are on our first camping trip. It's really close to our city, but we decided to just test the Caravan for one night. We have electricity, we have water running, the water container, the accumulator of the battery, the gas bottle, my brother's car, because my car is too weak to handle this huge thing. And this is my son playing ball. He says hello, and his mother